afternoon, like I said, we're really moving into the exciting part of the program. We're moving towards restorative development. I wanted to just take a couple of moments to just touch on some of the things that came up at that last session, tie in, connect a few dots with some of the things that Storm talked about last night. And then Kim is going to come in a little while and he's going to introduce some of the people that have already been through this heavy lifting and this hard work that has led to some wonderful stories that we're going to hear about. So we heard about the importance of these restoration projects. We saw the panel here describing some really landmark, very large, restorative-based projects. Sawmill sites, other industrial land sites that are being restored back to a natural functioning condition. So what I just wanted to do is I wanted to tie this together and help give a lot of the streamkeeper groups, the stakeholder groups, the community groups out there that are looking possibly for a new way to galvanize, change, and get things into action, right? We talked about the ecological accounting process, and I think the thing that struck me with the material that Tim showed up is that was just one project, one idea, one way we came up with possibly doing this. But the important thing that I got from that work is that it just confirmed the things Storm was talking about last night. There was a return on investment in doing that natural restoration work up on Brooklyn Creek. Yeah, there's lots of different ways of quantifying that return on investment. There's lots of work to do yet. But what we've shown is there's a return of investment to restoring these natural features, these natural landscapes. And as a local government person, to me, it's really important, and especially more important to some of the community groups out here. The community groups have been extremely valuable in educating groups like myself and others. Hey, we're seeing less fish in this creek, we're seeing some water quality issues here and things like that, but what if these community groups started coming forward and saying, we like this project because we think there's a return on investment for you as the landholder, the stakeholder, to do this. So that was this message that I wanted to just really tie together, because I think that was what happened with that last session. There was that theme there that really said that not only is this good and it makes you feel better, but economically, from an asset management point of view, these assets are going to give us a return. They're going to actually potentially increase in value over time. Imagine that. So we're going to tie that theme together. These next couple of sessions, Kim's going to come up and he's going to introduce the next two people that are going to really give you an insight into the hard work, but also the success that they've been able to achieve. Kim?